By the turn of the 21st century, the Grand Dam of Georgian Edinburgh was over 200 years old, and in 2010 she underwent an extensive 18-month refurbishment programme. The chandeliers were restored, new floors laid, secondary glazing fitted, and the Codestone statues discovered. Largely carried out by local contractors and artisans, the refurbishment restored the fine architectural details and sensitively added state-of-the-art technical equipment, winning many awards. Proud of our building's heritage and the important place it holds in Edinburgh's social history, in 2017 the Assembly Rooms participated in the 250th anniversary celebrations of the new town, and marked our own 230th anniversary with a fabulous alternative Piers Ball. Restored to her former glory and fit for the 21st century, today the Assembly Rooms continues to host a huge variety of events, from televised political debates, award ceremonies and business conferences, to festival shows, concerts and even weddings. One of the most beautiful and historic event spaces in Edinburgh, the Assembly Rooms remains a place where people continue to come together to make and share memories, just as they have done for the last 230 years.